Mr. Auwal, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Mr. Auwal, you're welcome to this program. I can see you are doing well in your business. Hello viewers, you are welcome to today's program, Anxious Moment. I am Precious. Zaka with me. Ask you some question about this business, your success story about this business. Can you tell us?
This business, I started this business. I have my own Oga. I have Oga. And when I meet him, I don't have anything. I'm with him. I started to buy my machines small. Before I grow, you see all these machines now, it belong to us, me and my Oga, not only me. So we did together with him, and all these boys, they are working with us, and nobody complain. Since we are working, I'm not complain with them, my Oga no complain with them, and them, they are doing well. You saw how they are working. They are working well, and always appreciate them.
Now, you have been mentioning someone, Oga. So that means you have somebody ahead of you.
Yes.
What are the challenges for now you are facing on this business?
Say anything now, anything where you start, you must get challenges. Anything you get, you must get challenges. Before we dey get small challenges, the work we started small. The challenge at times now we go there 1 week, 2 weeks, we no get work. Now so we go sit down. We endure. Without work, with not work, we go still come our working place. We go sit down. So you know say anything. Let me say young shall grow. So
All right. We have some youth that are sitting down, redundant, complaining here and there. What will be your advice to them?
My advice with them, I want them to stand up. Don't sit down to wait for somebody. I'm always say, this is my proverb, I always say, if you want to proud I be somebody. Don't proud I be son of somebody. So I'm always advise youth, stand up, get your own. Don't think say my brother have money, no, my family have money. Hustle, get your own. Proud it yourself. Don't proud with somebody, say my brother gets money, or my sister or my family get money. So don't proud with anybody. Proud with yourself. Say I be somebody.
You are trying to tell us that they should be independent, right?
Yeah.
This is my name. Right. Yeah, I'm a welder. I'm our boss. Yes, I was my boy several many years ago, but his character is very okay. I was not disappoint customer since how many years. And then I guarantee I was from anywhere to any length.
My name is Innocent. I've been working with you throughout, let me just say, like 4 or 5 years now. Wow, I achieved a lot. Some things that I haven't get before, but now I have everything all intact. I achieved many things.
My name is Jacob. I started welding work as year 2007. Then I end my work year 2012. When I started my work, we met with Auwal. I achieved some advice through Auwal, a benefit through Auwal. So I thank God as Auwal is a good man to me.
My name is Ibrahim Adam, and I am a welder. My Oga is Auwal, and I like to do a welder work. My Oga is a good man, and again, he used to teach us a good work.
My name is Kobada Juma. Okay, my achievement to working with Auwal is that the last year when I came here, I meet Auwal. I told her I want to follow and do work. He said, okay, no problem. He will help me. So when I get work, I will come here. I will tell him I want to do work. He said, no problem. I should bring the work on. Then almost is that I like the guy. The Auwal is a nice person. He's a good person that will give person advice, a little advice.
Thank you very much for having you on this program. Nice meeting you next time.